Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by setting your document size and resolution. 300 dpi for print, 72 dpi for screen, and use RGB for web or CMYK for print. Create a type layer and pick a point size. Set leading and tracking in the character panel to control vertical and horizontal spacing. Use paragraph alignment for blocks of copy and enable anti-aliasing for smooth edges. Convert complex typographic treatments into smart objects so you can scale without raster quality loss, keeping your original text layer editable. To style typography, use layer styles: drop shadow, inner shadow, stroke, bevel and emboss, color overlay and gradient overlay. Set stroke widths to 5 px or higher for visible outlines. Set drop shadow distance and size to suit scale and ensure contrast. Use blend modes and opacity. Try 50% for subtle overlays and preview on different backgrounds. For metallic or textured looks, add gradient overlay with multiple stops and add a subtle noise texture on a clipped layer. Keep effects on separate layers for easy adjustments. Use masks and clipping masks to apply textures, patterns, or images into text without destroying shapes. Convert complex groups to smart objects so you can return and edit type or effects. Rasterize only the final layer when necessary. For precision, use the type tool with anti-aliasing set to sharp or strong and convert paths for exact kerning with the pen tool. When finished, export PNG for web or save a flattened TIFF or PDF at 300 dpi for print and include a copy with layers preserved in PSD format for future edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.